ain't gonna cat to y'all, this is definitely one of the ones. We got a Parmesan Crusted Spicy Chicken Pasta. When I tell y'all, this one absolutely crazy. Full recipe link in my bio. So first things first, we're gonna start with our Banza high protein cavatappi noodles. We're gonna let those boil to al dente and then set those aside. Now for our Parmesan crusted chicken, we're gonna go from our flour to our eggs and then to our seasoned breadcrumbs. The seasoned breadcrumbs, I did add Parmesan cheese to it as well. This is gonna load it with a lot of flavor. Trust me on this, y'all. Now we're gonna fry these on each side. You do not have to overcrowd the pan. Just add a couple at a time to come out nice and beautiful like this. Just listen to this crispiness. Now for our pasta sauce, it's the same as I always do it, but this time we'll add a little bit of tomato paste. We'll add that heavy cream, Parmesan cheese. Of course, get your noodles mixed together. Top this off with your Parmesan crusted chicken. Garnish with a little red pepper flakes and some parsley. And one thing about it, two things for sure, Chef D the real GOAT. Make sure you follow for more. No cap.